If I don't need money, what I want to say to Raggy. This is my PPT. If I don't need money, what is my dream job? I want to be a farmer in Harlem because then I can be self-sufficient and grow whatever fruits and vegetables I want. And I don't have to go out and face the society. What I want to say to Rocky. First of all, thank you for guidance this year. You will also bring various current social events in Taiwan into my courses. This kind of English teacher method is something I have never experienced before. Also, we maintain a freeway with the content of our various reports, which allows us to create freely. Thank you for your guidance this semester. I hope you can let me pass. Thanks for listening.